Hey there, this is Lady Jammers, and I have a mystery unboxing. And I decided to do a different view of my bedroom. Not sure if I'm going to keep this way or not. We'll see. As you all know, I am a crazy cat lady. So I saw these on Hot Topic, and I was talking about these guys on another video. They said that they didn't come, and then I looked on Amazon and there they were, Brightest Day. So I thought, let's give it a try. So these, I don't know if they have one or two, and I'm a big fan of Hello Kitty, and I got two, one for me and one for another person who loves Hello Kitty even maybe more than I do. And I also thought, you know, I wanted to get two of these just because, you know. And on the Hello Kitty, you can get Pirate one, the Steampunk one, Zombie one, the Angel, the Robot, and so forth. Here, let me show you. Like I said, the writing part is not going to come out, but you can see who they are. So they come in little silver packets, and didn't put away my scissors. So, and they have two pin backs. It is the Alien Hello Kitty, and let me just says Hello Kitty Time to Shine enamel pin series, and it is all black on the other side. And see what the other one is. And I'll let you see before I do. OMG! Okay. She's wearing a unicorn onesie. That is too adorable. You can kind of guess which one I'm keeping. But that doesn't make it. Hey, a present is a present is a present. Ooh, look at this. Collect them all. That came inside it too. And let me see. I do believe the unicorn is one of the special mystery ones too. So that is awesome. And the alien is the other mystery. So I got two mystery ones. That's awesome. So I'm sure the person who's getting this as a swap will very much enjoy it. Now, for the keychains, cats. There you can get Marie, Cy, Am, Cheshire Cat, Raja, Tigger, Lucifer, Oliver, Figaro, and two mysteries. And I love all Disney cats. Cheshire Cat and Lucifer are two of my favorites, along with Oliver and Marie. And I especially like Borloose and Turloose, but they're never on anything. That's why I have Marie on my ears. So, it is, let's see, which one? Am. Because Psy is one way, Am is the other. So, I love these guys too. And, you know, these might be collector's items someday, these guys. And the other one is Raja. They had a lunch. I did a cat pin mystery box. I got 3 because I loved them so much, and I got 3 Rajas. 3 Rajas. I love Raja. 3? No, not really. But I really do enjoy these guys, and I consider this a very happy kind of keychain unboxing. And I like the quality of the keychain. It's sometimes you get those plastic ones, like I have this Anna and Ariel one, and it's a kind of a plastic one, and you wonder, is this gonna like really last if you wear it like on your pocketbook or your backpack? And this looks like it would be sturdy enough to last. So I hope you enjoyed this pin keychain unboxing, and remember to like, subscribe, and tell your friends about Lady Jane's channel. And hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.